Today I have a new computer, the LG UltraPC, and in this series I'm going to show you everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, tech specifications, demos, tests, how to open and how to upgrade and repair, to get to know everything about this computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Despite being small and very thin, the computer can be opened to be repaired. It cannot be opened from the top, but it can be opened from the bottom. If I turn the computer over, the computer has 8 screws, which are not visible, but underneath these rubber feet there are screws. Also, under these plastic circles are holes with more screws. And underneath this plastic on the top, there's also a screw. So I'm going to remove all the plastic covers to remove the screws. We'll need several tools. Starting with this rubber, you will need a tool like this to be able to peel off and lift the rubber to get to the screw. But do it carefully, not to scratch anything. The rubber is held in place with glue, so you won't be able to take it off often because the glue will lose its grip. Now, without the rubber, you can see there is a screw. These small plastic circles also have screws. To remove them, you will need a thinner tool. I will use this blade and very carefully I will lift the plastic with the tip of the blade. I remove this plastic circle and you can see there is a hole with a screw. But there are more holes like this with screws. And you will have to uncover them all. But another screw that I want to show is up here. Again, with the blade, I will lift the piece of plastic that is glued and carefully I peeled off the piece of plastic and we can see that it was covering another screw. Therefore, you will have to remove all these rubber and plastic pieces so you can reveal all the screws. After uncovering the 8 holes, reveal the 8 screws all around. Now you'll need a tool to remove the screws. Unscrew each of the screws, but keep the screws in order because the screws are not all the same size and they have to return to their places. Now, with the 8 screws removed, we can remove the cover, but make sure you removed 8 screws in total. To detach the computer cover, I will use a plastic card, but you can use another plastic tool. And I will start with this corner. Insert the card between the 2 parts of the structure to separate them. You can see that it's already a little open. Slide the card around to continue to separate. And disengage all the tabs that hold it. The lid starts to come off easily. And the more you open, it separates more and the easier it becomes to open, until you get to the end. Now there's only one part left. With everything disengaged all around, turn the lid in this direction. Turn carefully, because when turning, the back tab disengages, and the cover comes off without damaging anything. And without the cover, I reveal the inside of the computer where you can make upgrades or repairs. And that's how you open this very thin portable computer to access the motherboard and its components. This was another video about the computer LG UltraPC, but there will be more videos about this notebook PC. I will cover everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, speed and battery tests, or how to upgrade and repair, for you to decide if you should buy this computer. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any question about this computer, write in the comments.